Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's me again, Mr. Learning, and we're back with another video. Alright, so today I'm gonna be teaching you how to fix auto pressing keys in your laptop keyboard. It's really annoying that while we are working, there are some keys, letters, symbols, and signs or numbers that are auto pressing. Okay? I'm going to teach, let's end your problem right now, my dear friends. Okay? I'm going to teach you how to disable that auto pressing key to remove your or to end your agony about that malfunctioning laptop key. Alright, but before we proceed, if this is your first time to visit my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. In this channel, I'm always uploading video tutorials about computers and more. Without further ado, assuming that you've already subscribed, let's do this one.